Learn request words and phrases. May I know your name? May I know your name?
May I take your picture? May I take your picture?
May I visit your home? May I visit your home?
May I smoke?
May I smoke?
May I dance with you?
May I dance with you? May I use your phone?
May I use your phone? May I see the room?
May I see the room?
May I borrow your pen?
May I borrow your pen?
May I introduce my friend, Mr. Kim?
May I introduce my friend, Mr. Kim? May I offer you a drink?
May I offer you a drink? May I go now?
May I go now?
Please wake up.
Please wake up.
Be on time.
Be on time. Don't be late.
Don't be late. Don't forget. Come in.
Don't forget. Come in.
Thanks for watching this video. Please share it to your friends. To see more videos,